Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com application on your mobile device. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, proceed to your crypto wallet where you can see all your digital assets. Now, locate the search icon, usually a magnifying glass, and type in USD to find Tether. After finding USD, tap on it to open its dedicated page. You will then see an option to buy USD. Select this to move forward. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of Tether you want to purchase. You can either enter a precise numerical value or select a percentage of your available funds, for example, 25% of your fiat balance. Now choose how you want to pay for your USD. Options typically include using funds from your fiat wallet, a credit or debit card, or even Apple Pay. Once your payment method is selected, a summary of your transaction will appear. Take a moment to review all the details, ensuring everything is correct. Finally, confirm your purchase by entering your Crypto.com app passcode or using biometric authentication. Congratulations! Your USD purchase is now complete and the tokens will be deposited into your Crypto.com crypto wallet. For future transactions, remember that using a bank transfer often incurs lower fees compared to credit or debit card purchases, which can have a 2% fee. Always ensure you have adequate funds in your selected payment method to avoid any delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.